What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Reindeer Nita from Brawl Stars. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw a large oval for the reindeer's nose. We're going to start at the very top right in the middle. Just going to work our way around the left side. Just bring that down towards the center. And then we'll go all the way around the right. And then just pull that up towards the top. Let's go to the bottom center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down the center of the muzzle. Now I'm going to go to the left side of the nose and curve the muzzle going out, down, and then back up towards that center line. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the middle, come down, round out the muzzle, go up and in. Now let's move down and draw in the eyes. We're going to start underneath the muzzle on the left, draw a straight angled line, coming down and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then out. Let's connect the ends with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that back up. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw in the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Let's tilt the mouth up towards the right. Starting on the bottom left, angle this up and out, and we'll connect the ends with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the mouth, and then back up. And then we'll add the top row of teeth. From the top right, draw a straight line coming down, angle this up and in, and we'll curve the teeth coming down and then back up. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now you can see the inside edge of the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, draw a straight angled line coming down and in. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the inside, curve this up and out underneath the muzzle. Let's round out the side of the head. Starting on the left side of the muzzle, curve this out and then down towards the side. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the head. Starting back on the left, come down underneath the mouth, round out the chin, and then pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to add that shadow in between the eyes and the nose. Starting right in the middle, start with a point, curve this down and then out toward the left, go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the reindeer's head. Starting on the left, just going to curve this out, rounding it out, and then just pulling that up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, round up the side, go up and in towards the same height. Let's connect the top with a curve, going up the middle, and then bend that back down. Let's add a trim along the bottom. Starting on the left side of the muzzle, curve this out and then down, and then line this up on the right side. Let's go up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, we're going to draw an oval going out toward the left, and then the right, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to place the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. Starting in the center, we're drawing an oval coming all the way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. And then we'll fill in the eyes. Now I'm going to place the hat on top of the head. From the top two corners, we're going to draw a bracket, going out and then in. And we'll close off the top with that same curve, going up in the middle and then back down. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a straight angle line going up and in. And draw another angle line going up and then back out towards the left. Let's draw a circle along the top. Starting from the top of that line, go all the way around towards the top, and then back down. Let's go to the right side of the hat, draw a straight angled line going up and in. And I'm just going to bend this up and then in behind that circle. Let's go out to the side and draw in the antlers. Starting from the bottom of the hat, draw a straight line going out on either side. And then from the end, curve this out and up. Let's draw two small half circles along the inside. And we'll draw a larger half circle along the top. Let's add a half oval along the side, going out, around, and then back in. And then from the outside, curve the antler coming down, and then just bend that in towards the side of the head. Now you want to fold the ears coming down underneath the antlers. Starting on the left, curve this out, and then bend that down. And from the bottom, curve the ear coming in and then up towards the side of the head. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start over on the left side of the head, curve this down, and then back up on the right side. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go to the center of the scarf, draw a straight line coming down, go out towards the side, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's add two lines going across from left to right, starting with the top and then the bottom. Now we're going to move out and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, curve the body going out, and then down towards the left hip, go over towards the right, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to connect the hips with the curve going in behind the scarf. So we'll start on the left, come down, and then in, and continue on the right side. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now from here we're going to round out the top of the foot. Let's start on the left, we're going to go up, just bend the foot coming down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we'll add a circle along the top of the foot, going all the way around, and then back down. From the inside of that circle, draw a curve coming down and then up to the edge of the boot. And then from here, we're going to move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the left hip, step in, curve this out, and then down on top of the circles. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on that furry collar. Starting from the left side of the head, curve this out, and then in. We'll line this up on the right. Let's add another bump, going around, and then up. And then one more time, coming down and up towards the side of the body. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then we'll line this up on the right side. From the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then back out for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb. We're going to curve the hand coming down and pull that up, round out the arm, and just tuck that in behind the side of the collar. Now let's separate the sleeve. starting from the top of the thumb, curve this up, and then bend that out on both sides. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Reindeer Nita. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's begin by filling the nose in red. And then we'll move down and fill in the gloves. And then the stripes in the scarf. And we'll grab our dark orange and fill in the reindeer's head. I'll use a skin tone for the bottom edge of the muzzle, as well as the sides. So use that same color across the brim of the hat, and then the ball on top. Let's fill in the collar. And then those circles on top of the feet. I'll use our yellow to fill the top of the hat. And then our dark brown for the antlers. And then we'll use that same color for the shadow across the top of the head. Filling the bottom of the head with the skin tone. And we'll go back and fill in the eyebrows with this red. Let's fill the jacket with this green. And then we'll fill the inside of the pants with our medium blue. And we'll go back to our dark brown and fill in the boots. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color Reindeer Nita. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop a request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.